Good morning, everyone. This is Ed Wagner at Wagner Inspection. Today I am on a home inspection and I am evaluating a ranch home that has a poured concrete foundation and a full basement. Pretty nice, actually. Um, Now, the only issue is that looking at the foundation from a distance, it looks actually in pretty good shape. However, when you take a closer look at it, what you'll notice is that there's quite a bit, and I do mean a significant amount, of small cracks running everywhere in every direction you can think of. I'm not so sure how these are going to show up in the video. I hope they show up pretty well. You can see very closely all the cracking that's going on. Turn my camera. Maybe that's not a good idea. I'll go back. Here, you can see moisture coming through. And we've had problems with different quarries providing concrete over the years. And here you can see again all the cracking going on. So here we get over to this side, and here's another corner. Actually, they don't even have to be in a corner. You can pretty much be anywhere in here. Throw a dart and you'll probably hit a crack. There you go. I mean, it is everywhere. So when you have this much going on, even though they are small, some might think that it's not significant. To me, that is definitely something that an engineer has to take a look at and probably have a core sample done in a couple of areas to see the makeup of this foundation. Here's in the hatchway. You can see in here as well. There you go. I hope some of these show up in the video because again, very difficult to see unless you're looking for it, you know what you're looking for, and you're using a flashlight. Another good reason to make sure that your inspector really takes a hard look at the foundation is very important. Also, think about when you have a finished basement, you don't stand a chance in the world to have seen these. I did not see these cracks on the exterior because there's only about 6 inches between the top of the foundation and the grade. So they weren't visible, but in the basement, they are certainly visible and they're visible everywhere. So again, this is going to be one of these that I call out for an engineer to come in and do some core sampling. We are very fortunate in the fact, from at least for my client, that the basement isn't finished and we're able to see all this movement and cracking and going on. Anyway, Ed Wagner, Wagner Inspection. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions about home inspections, mold testing, radon testing, commercial buildings. Thank you.